popping, guys? Back with another another video, and
today we got our buddy Chance, and he always hurt my back, so that's why got a scrape on my back.
Yeah,
I really have a scrape on
guys, and it is. Guys, we keep hearing this strange noise in our house.
Yeah, guys, we are about to pull a prank on Papa. See if he is gonna catch us. Last time he catched us.
And technically, then we're gonna find out what this noise is in our house.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, let's go.
I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, come on. Let's go. Okay, let's do a quick You seeing this, guys? Quick. Yeah. Okay.
Y'all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Get whatever you take because you're not running in and out.
Okay.
Okay. Guys, go outside. We're gonna record you guys playing with